Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to say thank you for your attention in my presentation. It's great to see you all. My name is Meita Dwi Kurniasi. I'm from University Negeri Semarang. For this moment, I will to present our paper. The title is Analysis of Literacy Numeracy Ability for Service Teacher and a Learning System. For the abstract, numeracy literacy ability is a person's ability to imply and interpret mathematics in the various contexts. In this case, in the full systematic reasoning skills and the use of this context, procedure, and the fact of describe, example, or communicate a phenomenon. The study analyzed teacher can pre-surface numeracy skill using the ORDR. ORDR is one of learning model from the part of habits of mind. ORDR is described to 5 activities. First, observe. Second is relating. Third, application. Fourth, development. And the last is reflect. To achieve learning objective. This research subject for responsive teacher, this talking analytic geometry course in the 5th semester of the 2020 until 2021. The data collection content using the document analysis, test, and interview. Introduction. The 21st century education paradigm is oriented to technology and the science. The science technology content in understanding and the on-ethic is the communicate of the proactive. We know the literacy numeracy is part of the literacy for the all. In the PISA in 2022, we know the Indonesia is the position is not good for the PISA position. And the why literacy numeracy is not good because we know to improve the 100 numeracy literacy skill, it is necessary to create and present the learning climate and ultimate access the learning media so that students have the high literacy spirit and can achieve meaningful learning to understanding the material better to be study and achieve maximum learning outcomes. So, in this, our research, we know using for the learning in the high school, higher education, we know have to the current pandemic situation affect of the life include the education. So in addition to use learning engagement system in learning, an appropriate learning model is also needed. One of which is the ORDADR model. ORIDR model is the systematic learning model through 5 activities, the what I say in the first presentation. So for the our introduction, we know about the literacy numeracy pre-service teacher must to improve how to be in e-learning system. So we have to know what the literacy numeracy analyze ability for service teacher in learning system. In methods. Methodology research. This qualitative study examines how to describe the numeracy skill of the prospective teacher students we are to using the ORDR model system by the learning management system. This method chosen to the answer the research question posed to explore students' numeracy literacy, also qualitative approach, and are used to see the mistakes difficult experience by perseverance teacher candidates when they're working with points, line, and circle. The participant is the study 78 third years mathematics education self-service teacher from University in Jakarta for the 2020 the academic 2020 and 2021. Participants have the same characteristic and are to the LMS in learning system which detect analytic geometry course. The instrument, the technique, the data and collective technique is the first with the test relate the perception teacher numeracy skill. The second data collect technique is document analyze, and the document analysis will observe sheet students test result and the student reflective journal. And the data analyzed, then the data will analyze using qualitative approach with systematic analysis technique. According to the new How to 2021 and Mahmoud, the mathematical analysis is the data analysis technique that is carried out of looking the question. The analysis of error made by the subject is working on numeracy literacy problem are divided into 5, namely reading error, concept error, transformation error, processing skills error, and coding error. Result and of the result. The result of the literacy numeracy ability perceptive teacher, we know the for the frequencies is 78. The minimum value is 25, maximum is 87. For the average is 60.46. Discussion. For the 5 of indicator of literacy of numeracy, we know we have to 5 indicator. First is a coding error, 2 is process skill error, 4 the transmission error, the fourth is compression error, the last is reading error. In this research, we know for the 5, the higher to error we have in process skill error. They have the 37%, and the less is comprehensive error and reading error. Then no too long is 24%. The last have a conclusion. We in this research we analyze for the students in a different level, the high level, middle level, and the less level. The analysis of this model that they feel the understanding to matter better by learning like that, because admit that during the period of unforgettable and it's more difficult to understand the materials. However, to improve in this model is essential to create student activity sheets. Student activity sheet is expected to make learning more mature and the student have no difficulty following the teacher learning steps. The last we know, based on the result and discussion of the studies, we discuss conclusion on the several essential points. First, students will carry out learning with the ORDR model. And you know ORDR is means O is observe, R is relate, A applying, D difficult, and R reflect. Based on learning system have more learning experience, knowing they have been done by researching in this work. The second, student error with reading error 24% in understanding error, 25% is transformation error, 35% is processing skills error, and the last is 34% is coding error. The third or the last, we know the ORDR learning model with the model-based or LMS. LMS can be improved by making student activity sheet. It is down to the learning carried out for the stage is more well mentioned. We know the ORDR-based model learning is to make students be more experienced about their learning, because we know the ORDR model learning model is a good for the student to improve their habits of mind. Habits of mind is why to the student have to know that they can do what they learning and what the material they studies. Okay, I think it's enough for our my presentation. Thank you for your attention for my presentation. Hope you give me feedback to be a good research in the beginning. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.